You are welcome to the Wealthy Continent channel, a channel dedicated to the great people and continent of Africa. One of the most precious gifts you and I have been given is our mind. And if we are going to maximize it, then consistent renewal is non-negotiable. Please think about it. If it makes sense to you, use it. Otherwise, bin it. When it comes to time, nobody is a pauper. Everyone is equally blessed with it. However, when it comes to its usage, individual productivity differs. Remember, perspective matters. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.